Nagka-video tayo. Ngayon yung start ng ano.
So, nandito pala tayo.
Hanap tayo ng parking siguro. Buti, hindi tayo nagputi.
Jamini?
Parking.
Mga kainan.
Oo.
Hanap ka ng kainan doon. Makakapark.
Sunod na lang tayo dito sa mga sasakyan. Dito naman na yun. Kahit kapag lakad tayo ng
Yes, yes.
Sir.
Finally at the.
There's a road closure ahead on United Nations Avenue due to a demonstration. No other routes available.
Kung hanggang dito lang tayo. Ayaw na itong parking.
sunod lang tayo muna sa mga ano.
Daanan na lang natin. Hindi na tayo makakapark. Road closure. Ibig sabihin bawal yung sasakyan.
Sundan na natin itong ano, makahanap tayo ng parking or kainan ba na.
You're good.
Saan?
Dito sana Starbucks.
Sarado yung mga parking mo. Sundan na
Starbucks
natin.
kasi normally mga tao na lang.
Sundan lang natin. Mabini Street. Ang timing talaga tayo, no? Kumita. Ay! Ano bang mall malapit dito? Nasa yung cellphone? Isa? Di, search ka ng malapit na mall.
Parking na lang.
Oh, parking. Sundan natin itong ibang ano, mga sakyan.
Parking near me.
Paid parking. Dito talaga sila. Malamang maraming mag-aano dito sa Dolomite kasi ito, McDo. Sarado din. Punuan ang McDo. Tsaka mo, ang daming sign na hindi na nag-a-apply.
In 200 meters, merge onto Roxas Boulevard, Route 120.
Lahat ng parking dito close.
on the right. It's on the right, kuya. The Dolomite.
Wala, close yan na ngayon.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
That's a bunch of people.
Yeah, that's why they're having rally. We don't know that there's a rally today.
We don't know if there's a rally.
Yeah, we don't know.
This is an epic trail.
Do you know what is rally? It's when people disagree with
God.
the government.
There, that's a Dolomite.
There's the Dolomite Beach.
But unfortunately,
Maybe we can,
Find a new beach. Right?
and then
There it is.
close tong ano. Close siya. Hindi siya open for public na. Wala din.
No more Dolomite Beach.
It's closed. They closed it.
Why?
Hindi, ito. Ito pa
Your destination is on the right.
Hindi ito sila. Ayun, may mga tao.
Yes!
There. Kaso wala na tayo.
We can go there.
Hindi naman siguro magkakagulo
We
yan.
can go there, right?
Kasi INC to eh.
We need to find a parking place.
Hindi sila maano yung magulo.
Lalakad talaga tayo konti.
How are we gonna find a parking place if there's no parking? We might be late for it.
Naglalakad na tayo.
Yay! Look, there's the Dolomite Beach. But we just have to find the perfect parking place. Maybe there.
Ano tayo dyan ng mga SB?
Ano kung may entrance dyan?
How do we get there? There's no parking. It's so hot right now. I think we do need some sunglasses. I forgot about that.
There are those glasses.
Sunglasses? Finally. I've been waiting for this.
Naku, sasilip lang tayo.
Colgate?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, wala dyan.
Tayo natin. Wala na tayo mapaparkingan dyan.
May mga establishment na.
Tanong tayo dito. Bossing, saan pwede mag-park? Ha? Pwede parking dyan?
Ay, no parking.
No parking.
Oh,
Pinalis ko lang.
Saan pwede mag-park kaya? Saan?
Sakayin po ba?
Sana.
we're trying to
Oh,
go to
fine.
the Dolomite Beach.
Di pa pwede dyan? Dyan na lang. Bayad na lang kami, boss, ha?
Salamat.
Saan na to?
Sabi mo, saglit lang tayo kahit mga 30 minutes lang.
I've been dying for this moment. Ready? Enough.
Kakain po. quickly so that we can, because we don't have any food yet.
Okay, it's a deadly food.
Kain na tayo. Ay, sleepers. Kuya, sleepers. Halal sleepers, kuya. Get it from there.